Miami is a charming investment opportunity for everyone. If you're not living in the United States, but you are looking to buy property here, it's like a discount for people who live in their homes full-time. This city is buzzing with life. White snow, sandy beaches, vibrant culture, and thriving economy. Miami is a charming investment opportunity for everyone. And today we will explore the intricate world of buying real estate taxes. My name is Katya Molina and I present you with a detailed guide to help you navigate these financial waters. Sales and use tax. So in Florida, doesn't have a personal income tax. However, they have a sales tax on some stuff you buy or service you use. When buying real estate, like a house or an office, you usually don't have to worry about the sales tax, but there are other costs that come into play when you are buying property. Documentary stamp taxes. The Florida documentary stamp tax is based on how much the property cost or the size of the mortgage. Now the rate for this tax can change, but as of now it sets at 70 cents per $100 of the property value or mortgage amount. So let's say you are eyeing on a property worth $300,000. Do the math. And you're looking at a documentary stamp tax of $2,100. Property tax is a yearly tax you pay to Miami-Dade County, and it's about how much your property is worth. Miami-Dade County Appraiser's Office measures this taxable value, which is usually a piece of the market value of your place. Different local agencies set the property tax rates, which vary based on a few things. First, your property location. Then, what kind of city perks do you get, like parks or libraries? And lastly, whether your property falls into any special tax districts. All these factors can nudge your property tax rate up or down. Transfer taxes. Surtax is a tax for transferring property from one person to another. Now, this rate is 60 cents for every $100 of the property's value, but this applies only to properties in Miami-Dade County that aren't single-family homes. So if you're looking at something other than a single-family home, like a condo or duplex, this is where the surtax comes into play. The key is understanding what category your potential property falls into. That way you can determine exactly how much surtax you will need to pay. Mortgage taxes. All right. If you're considering setting a mortgage for your real estate purchase, there is another tax you should keep in mind. It's called a mortgage tax, but you might also hear it's referred to as the intangible or non-recurring intangible personal property tax. This tax is paid to the state and calculated at 0.2% of your mortgage amount. So for every $1,000 of your mortgage, you're looking at $2 in tax. Now, in Miami, usually it's the buyer who covers this tax, but everything negotiable. Sometimes you might be able to work out a deal where the seller paying for the tax. It's all about what you and the seller agreed on. Foreign investors and FIRPTA. If you're not living in the United States, but you are looking to buy property here, there is something important you need to know. It's called the Foreign Investment in Real Property Tax Act, or FIRPTA. If you're buying property from someone who is not a U.S. resident, you as a buyer have to hold back a part of the sale price. Then this money gets sent over to IRS. Think of it like a tax deposit. It's a super important step, especially in the city like Miami that attracts a lot of international buyers. Mitigating taxes with exemptions and deductions. If you're buying a house in Miami and planning to make it your main home, here are some good news. It's called the Florida Homestead Exemption, and it helps you to save on property taxes. It's like a discount for people who live in their homes full-time. This exemption can knock up to $50,000 off the taxable value of your home. That means the value that your property tax is based on getting lowered, which can lead to some nice savings on your tax bill each year. additional cost and future tax considerations. When you buy a place in Miami, it's not just about taxes you pay. Don't forget about insurance, especially flood insurance. Miami is gorgeous, but it's also known for its hurricanes, so flood insurance is a big deal and something you must budget for. Jumping into the Miami real estate can definitely feel like a challenge, especially with all the tax stuff to think about. But let me tell you, it's totally worth it. This city is buzzing with life, and it's a magnet for people from all over the globe. Owning a piece of Miami, it's a big deal. It's all about making informed choices and planning your budget right. Consider getting a real estate attorney or a tax advisor who knows ins and outs of Florida property law. No worries, I have all the valuable contacts you might need. Make sure to drop a comment if you have any questions left. Follow me on my Instagram account, which is realtor.katya, and watch my next video about getting a mortgage in Miami. See you in the next video.